You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this town, located in Italy, of course, in Campania, one of the 6 comuni on the island. Yes, it's an island as well. So there's a town and an island. Both are pronounced as Ischia. Yes, I know. CH in Italian is pronounced like a K. A simple C is pronounced like CH. Don't ask me why. It's Italian. So, is, and then you replace the CH with a K. Chia. Ischia. Stress on that first syllable. Ischia. That's your perfect Italian pronunciation. Isn't it perfect? Let me know. Now, in English, it's pronounced similarly as Ischia or Ischia, some may say. But now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.